All right, guys. Okay, we're back. So problem number 4. Okay, so now we're talking about problem number 4. In this case, mom, okay, is homozygous, recessive, and she has blue eyes. Here we have dad, okay, he is heterozygous, okay, and he has brown eyes. Why? Because he has the dominant gene. This guy, okay, he has a recessive gene, okay, that could give him blue eyes, but because he doesn't have a second copy, okay, he has brown eyes, okay? Now, what will the kids look like? Okay, what will the kids look like? Now remember, 2 different types of genes. So that means, in our mind, that we need a Punnett square, okay? Now this Punnett square, this time mom is making just one type of egg, okay? This is the egg. And to make a baby, you need sperm. So dad is making 2 type of sperm, okay? One type of sperm carries dominant genes, the other carries recessive genes, okay? Why only one? Because remember, we only pass one. So, okay, we only pass one gene at a time. Therefore, only one of the genes can be in the sperm. They have to be in different sperm. Now, remember, we make a table, just like that. And now we can go ahead and see, okay, what our possible outcomes is. So if this sperm and this egg join, then we will have a heterozygous genotype, and this heterozygous genotype, these genes will give this person brown eyes. Okay? But if this sperm joins with this egg, now we're looking at homozygous recessive genotypes, and this will result in blue eyes. So now we literally have 2 different options. We have 2 possibilities, 2 possible outcomes, okay? We won't know what the kid actually looks like until they're born, but these are our 2 outcomes, okay? So when we look at our test questions, what are the chances that the kid will be homozygous dominant? Well, neither one of these 2 options are homozygous dominant. Therefore, it's a 0% chance. Homozygous recessive, okay, is little b, which is 1 of 2. 1 of 2 is the same thing as 50%. And finally, heterozygous, big B, little b. It's 1 of 2 possible outcomes, or 50% chance. Okay, so there's a 50% chance of being of this child being born with either one of these 2 genotypes. Okay, now when we look at the phenotypes, right? So remember, these are phenotypes. These are physical appearances, right? Phenotypes. Brown eyes, 1 of 2, or 50% chance that the kid will be born with brown eyes. Okay, and there's a 50% chance, 1 of 2, that the kid will be born with blue eyes. Okay, so now if you were a doctor and these parents came to you and you knew their genotypes, you could tell them, okay, that if they have a child, they have a 50% chance of having blue eyes or 50% chance of having brown eyes. Okay,